Hello guys, welcome again in our tutorial on how to use R for research. Today we have explained functions in R. There are three types of functions. Some of them it's called built-in functions, which came with the RStudio or R software. Some others came with the packages, and also we have the option to create our own functions. At the beginning, what is the function? A function is a set of statements organized together to perform a specific task. The basic syntax of functions in R: function name, some arguments, and the function body inside curly brackets. The example of built-in functions, we can use maximum, minimum, mean, plot without calling any packages, and a list of built-in functions are available in this link. We can check them. For example, let's use maximum function. Max 20, 77, 85, and 12 equal 85. And the minimum, mean equal 12. Let's say a equal -1, -3, and so on. These numbers, let's define them. That's a. And we can use the function of plot, which is built-in function. Plot a equal dark green. The color is dark green. If the function is not available in the list of built-in functions, we can call them and use them inside specific packages, or you can create them, which is called user-defined function. For example, let's create a piece of function to convert mile to kilometer. We name it mile to kilometer equal function mile in bracket, the body is kilometer equal mile multiplied by 1.60934, then return kilometer. Now we defined mile to kilometer function. Let's apply it. Mile to function mile to kilometer 20 equal 32.18. Another example, my mean. What's my mean? The function numbers. Mean equals sum of numbers divided by length of numbers, then return mean. Now we defined my mean function. Let's apply it with the my mean of a. My mean of a equal 4.033. My mean of 10, 50, and 20 is 26.66. We have the opportunity to create functions without argument. For example, multiply function equal function bracket for I in -5 to 5, print I multiply I. Now we defined multiply function. Let's run it. That's the result of multiply function: 25, 60, 9, 4, and so on.